Madeline is in the sports club at school. Today they are jumping rope. Madeline started jumping rope at 4:50 p.m. She stopped jumping rope at 5:17 p.m. For how long did she jump rope? Okay, so I know that she started at 4:50 p.m. as told in the story problem. And I know that she stopped jumping rope at about 5:17 p.m., which made her sad. So how do I find out how much time passed? Well, I know that when I'm telling time, I can't go from 1:59 to 1:60. Once that minute changes, it changes the hour and changes the minutes to 0 and 0. So how do I map that out on a clock? Well, I know that the minute is just 1 minute hand over on the mini lines that are in between the two numbers 11 and 12. And that goes from 1:59 to 2 o'clock. 1 minute. So I know that the 5-minute mark is between 10 and about halfway to 11, and 10 minutes is from 10 to 11. 4 is my hour, that's the little hand, and 50 is the minute hand, that's longer. So now I'm going to draw out 4:50 on a clock, how it would look with the hour hand and the minute hand. And I can know where it's supposed to be placed based off on the 5-minute and the 10-minute marks. Now I want to get from 4:50 to 5 o'clock, and I have to pay attention to what I change my minutes to. I know that it'll be 2 zeros because of what we said before. 50 plus 9 is 59, plus 1 minute would not change it to 60, but change it to 5 o'clock. Now I want to change 5 o'clock to 5:17, the time that she stopped jumping rope. I go from 4:50 to 5 o'clock by moving it 10 minutes of a distance, just like before, and moving the hour hand just a little bit to shift over to show that the hour is 5. Now I want to change it from 5 o'clock to 5:17. I know I can do that by going 17 minutes. 10 plus 7 is 17, so I'll show my markings with the 10-minute distance, 5-minute distance, and 5 plus 2 is 7, so I showed 2 little nicks to show that that equaled 7. I mapped out the distance with my minute hand and my hour hand to show where set 5:17 would be on the clock. Once I did this, I looked at how much time I had to add in between those 3 different times. 10 minutes to go from 4:50 to 5 o'clock, and 17 minutes from 5 to 5:17, and that makes a total of 27 minutes. It took Madeline 27 minutes to start from 4:50 and end at 5:17.